Hi, my name is Alok Lall and I lead the product marketing for SharePoint Server. Over the last couple of days, I've had several discussions with IT professionals like you around should we focus on Microsoft Office? Is that something that IT professionals should look at? I mean, it's not classy like the data center or the cloud, but you know what? Office as a client is really becoming mission critical for most organizations. Think about the end users that you need to support. Whether it's their mail client, which is Outlook, or it's security on Word, or making smart presentations, or aligning to policies that your organization has defined for managing the content. Office today is really far more equipped to help you as IT professionals really configure the platform to suit the needs of your organization. In terms of security, in terms of robust deployment options, in terms of ability for you to configure group policies to define things like where should the team folders reside, or how should you get digital signatures out to the right set of audiences. It's really this power that Office brings to the table that I implore that IT professionals like you should take a look at what Office as a platform can be for you. So today, over the course of the next 3 or 4 minutes, let me just quickly walk you through why we believe that the layered set of defenses that we are introducing as a part of Office 2010 will really empower you as an IT professional to configure the best set of functionalities for your users. Give them the freedom that they want, at the same time ensure that the policies that you would define for configuring Office really reach out to your target audience and make your defenses extremely strong. For one, we've decided to focus on a couple of areas that will make security the prime design factor for any Office deployment. First and foremost is the ability to harden the attack surface. So throughout the security development life cycle and the planning for Office has focused on security. We support the DEP, the Data Execution Prevention /NX capability to allow the memory to be protected. We provide a platform for robust and agile cryptography, and that really makes it very easy for you to introduce the concept of digital signatures. Think about how you move a note in an organization, or you move a file for approval. If you were to embed the real signature or a scanned signature with a digital signature, it mimics what you do on a day-to-day basis within the organization. It becomes very easy for you to bring that to life with Office 2010. We also reduce the attack surface, and the way we do that is to block legacy file formats. The reason why we do that is to ensure that there is no malicious code that seeps into the Office application just because of file format that carries that. We enable you as IT professional to deploy it very easily through policies and allow users, for instance, to open up these legacy files in read-only mode. So the advantage that you get is that you can granularly decide what do you want to allow and what do you want to deny, and enable that for the entire organization through group policy. We also enable an environment called the protected viewer or the sandbox. So that also helps mitigate some of the risks. So the advantage that you get is that when a user opens a Word document, or a PowerPoint slide, or a spreadsheet from a non-trusted location, so to say, be it, let's say, from the internet or from the email client, it opens in protected mode, and you really have to run it in the you really have to explicitly accept to enable content or enable data connections to be able to use that document. So it helps user make better trust decisions. So do I trust this document because I've opened it from here, and is that dialog box a lot more prominent for the user? It helps prevent harmful documents from damaging the user data and the operating system, thereby impacting productivity. I also want to talk briefly about performance, and our design criteria for Office was to have the same performance, same hardware configuration for as what we had proposed for Office 2007 with Office 2010. And this speaks volumes about the way we've optimized the code, the way we've built certain functionalities that help drive better visualization or better performance in Outlook as a client, so that the users get to see these changes and be more productive when they use Office 2010. And with the support for 32-bit and 64-bit environments, the support for multi-core processors, We truly believe that performance will be something that users will sit up and take notice with Office 2010. In summary, I'd like you to evaluate these changes and look at how they can impact the productivity within your organization, and at the same time building a much more robust and secure environment for your users. Thank you.